My name is Harald Zeller. I'm originally from Germany. I always was traveling the world almost on a motorcycle, and I always missed to have some space available. So we decided 10 years ago to find a sidecar hookup for my BMW. We can carry much more equipment with us. And of course my dog Jake, he's riding with me all the time now. It's my best companion. To the sidecar we have available a big cooler on the back. I always wanted a big cooler. We have more fuel available on the bike. There is an auxiliary fuel gas tank over there. We can carry on the blue canister, we can carry 5 gallons of water now. So far on the bike we crossed the country 3 times to the west. We went to Mexico together. I always wanted a dog with me. We always had dogs at home, and it's only possible in a sidecar. He loves it. When we got him a few years ago, since he was a puppy, I put him in the sidecar and he enjoys it. He rides it. Most of the time he sleeps down in there and enjoys the ride. It's so good to have an animal with me, especially a dog. He gives me a companion, is a very good friend.